How to record your voice in Windows 11. So in this video, I'll show you how you can use your microphone to record your voice on your laptop or computer. Now, the first thing you need to do is go and open up the Start menu on your PC. You could then search for Settings and click on this window here. In the left-hand side, click on Privacy and Security, and then you'll need to scroll down to the microphone and click on this. Now make sure microphone access is turned on like you see here. Make sure Let Apps Access Your Microphone is also turned on. And then if you see Sound Recorder in this list, also make sure it's turned on. You could then close out of this window, go and right-click on the volume icon in your taskbar, and then press Sound Settings. You'll then need to scroll down to where it says Input, and then from here you need to go and select your microphone. So you can either use your computer's built-in microphone, or if you have an external microphone, you can go and select it from here. Now you'll see this volume slider as you start talking, and this indicates that your microphone is actually working. Now to actually begin recording the audio, open up your Start menu. Now search for Sound Recorder and click on this app here. You can then click on the drop-down arrow in the bottom left-hand side and make sure you have the correct microphone selected. To begin recording, you can just click on the record button, and to finish the recording, you can go and click on this again. Now, all of your saved voice recordings will be saved over on this left-hand side, and you can go and right-click on this and press Show in Folder, and here you'll be able to find all of your saved voice recordings.